Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a special one for you guys. iBlason was kind enough to just send out this crazy gift box and a couple of accessories. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what they've sent. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff here. Greetings from Georgia with a nice little bow on this box. Looks like we got a wireless speaker, a belt bag, and a tote bag, as well as a nice little note here. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Of course, iBlason, we've reviewed tons of their cases on the channel, and here is a nice little handwritten note. Wow, I love getting nice handwritten notes. It says, obviously, since they are local to Atlanta, Georgia, they wanted to share a piece of Georgia with us this holiday season. So let's go ahead, crack this open, and see what we've got. Of course, a big shout out to iBlason for sending this out kind of free for review. They didn't even give us a heads up. They just sent it. They said, hey, here you go, have some of our merch. And of course, we're going to show it to you guys because I think this stuff's pretty cool. Let's first start with the belt bag here. And I believe you guys can order this stuff as well, but here it is, taking a quick look around. Okay, this is actually perfect for electronics. You've got two little pockets here, a bigger one here for maybe a backup battery. Nice big front pocket for passports or money. So this is actually great for travel. You also have a secret compartment in the back. Oh yeah, this is nice. It is more of a fanny pack style, but it's got a lot of room. So very cool. It's got the iBlason logo right there. Let's move on to the tote bag and take a look at that. Check this out, guys. This is pretty dang big. It says iBlason right there across it. And it's just your average tote bag, except on the inside here, you can see there's a little top pocket, which is perfect for like a phone or something. And then in here, you can store all your other goodies. And the material of the cloth actually feels very high quality. We don't review a lot of tote bags on the channel, but I will say out of the ones that I have used, this one feels very good. So I believe this one's also available for you guys to purchase. This is limited edition though. So I don't know how long it'll be available or if it even is still available at the time of this recording. Now, this of course is their wireless speaker right here. And I believe this is limited edition as well, but let's crack this open and see what we've got. Nothing else in the box. I'm gonna set this one up just a bit here, so we can see it a little bit in frame. And here is the speaker. Oh, that is pretty cool. It says iBlason right across it right there. You can see the speaker on the inside. Your controls up here at the top, play, pause. And this appears to be possibly the sub or where the bass comes out. We've got on, off, we've got power, and we've got a USB-A spot. Very cool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is a micro SD card slot. So this actually is packed with features. Let's go ahead and see what else we've got in here. A nice carabiner clip, as well as the micro USB. I wish this was USB-C to USB-C or USB-A to USB-C, but it is micro, so it is what it is. But let's take a look at this box here. So mode switch button, last song, turn down volume, next song, pause play. Press twice to ring up a call, press once to answer a call. So you can actually do calls from this little thing. Bass expansion system. Interesting. All right, well, this is pretty cool. Here is the specs in case any of you nerds want to take a look at that. But just for the fun of it, let's go ahead and power it on and see what we've got.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I don't know what that accent was, but BT speaker, let's go ahead and click on that.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
That is a funny sounding voice there, but let's go ahead and play some music just for fun. All right, so I was messing around with some of these modes, and you have Bluetooth, USB, TF card, FM, and line in. So you can choose between these different modes, which is really cool. And FM mode actually sounded like it was working. It was trying to get local radio stations. So this is actually pretty cool. It's soft touch material all the way around here, so it doesn't move. The sound quality is decent. Now it does claim the working time on this is 2 hours, so that's not bad, especially for something this small. It's a 600 milliamp hour battery. Let's play some copyright free music and see how it sounds. So it sounds pretty good. It's definitely louder and more bassy than typical phone speakers. So if this is something you're looking for, it is limited edition, it says, so keep that in mind. But if you want it, I'll try to link it down below. Now let's get to the star of the show. I don't really know what's in here, but let's see. So this is from Georgia, which I've been through Georgia many a time. I like the state. Let's go ahead, crack this open and see what they sent out. I am excited to see it. Wow, they actually sent out some food. This, I was expecting like cases or something, but it looks like we have legitimate Georgia merch here. This is so cool. So it looks like we've got a little Georgia coaster here with little feet on the bottom. Very nice. We also have Georgia pecan buttery shortbread cookies loaded with Georgia pecans. Very awesome. I have no idea if iBlason wanted me to show this on camera, but I am, because no other company has ever done something like this before. So big shout out to iBlason. This is super unique. We've got a nice little postcard here with some information about Georgia. And actually, this is the same image as on the box. We also have Georgia Peach Gourmet Popcorn. Now, of course, Georgia is obviously known for their peaches, and this looks delicious. I've never had peach popcorn before, but of course, we're gonna try that out. We have Dylan's Gourmet Pecan Roll, looks delicious as well. We have fried peanuts right here. These are straight from Georgia. We also have Georgia Peach Preserve. Again, I've had Georgia peaches and they are delicious, so I am very much looking forward to using this because I already know this is gonna taste really good. And here we have a little Georgia Peach magnet. Very, very cool. I think that is all that's in here. Wow, that was a lot to unbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it all out and show you guys it one more time. I'm actually gonna shout out the company. On the bottom of the box here, it says georgiagiftsandmore.com. So if you want something similar to this, that's probably where they got this. But check all this out. Huge shout out to iBlason for sending all that swag out in this box. Again, when a company actually cares about the reviewers, that means they probably care a lot about their customers because they want us to be able to show you guys the best of the best products. And supporting reviewers is the way that we get to show products to the world. So big thank you and shout out to iBlason again for sending this all out free for, I guess, review or at least to show. Maybe they didn't want me to show it, but I don't care. I want to show it because this is some really cool stuff and it's very unique. Thanks again, iBlason. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.